Hey everyone! It's a new day and it's a new vlog. It's me again, Jen Chan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog, I'm going to have a video on what's happening this day, what's gonna happen today, and for the whole day. So, let's keep on watching and see you. So everyone, I was here at the shop, the shoe shop, and then I was going to buy the shoes that is sponsored by Mr. Tihihi. Mr. Tihihi, I'm now at the shop, and thank you so much for the shoes that you've given to me. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate that. And yeah, this is all the shoes, and I choose the I choose it's difficult to film. I choose the Nike one because I think it's fit for me and beautiful for me. So I'm waiting for the lady to give me that. And this is the one that I choose. So I can wear this one every day off. So I was waiting now for the shoes and let's see if it's beautiful on my feet. Magsusukat na tayo ng ating sapatos. I'm just going to fit my shoe. This is size 5. This is size 5 because my feet is size 5, so I choose size 5. But I think it's very small, so I maybe ask the 6, maybe 6. Too small. This is 5.5 or 6? 5.5. So, ayan na siya. This is it. Nike. And this is my old shoes, the Sperry one. How is it? Okay, I choose this one. So, ayan, andito na. I'm now on the counter queuing, so I'm gonna pay the shoes now. So happy now because I have my new shoes now, and thank you, Mr. Tihihi, for the kind support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving me the shoes. Thank you so much as a gift. Thank you. So, I was queuing now at the counter. I'm going to pay the shoes. So I just wait for my turn. So I choose the Nike one. I choose the size 6. Ayan, magbabayad na po tayo. I'm going to pay now my shoes. Kaya? How much? Oh my god, it's raining. Oh my god, it's raining. It's raining. Yeah. I'm just finished buying the shoe and now I'm ready to have a lunch. Today is raining outside, so I stuck up here. So let's see what I'm going to buy for the lunch. Okay, so I was now inside the restaurant and just waiting for my order. So I'm going to take my brunch. So I ordered the B10 and which is the curry chicken and rice, and of course my drinks is Coca-Cola as always. So I'm going to eat my lunch here, and outside is so raining, so I don't know if where I can stay outside. Maybe I'm gonna take longer here to just to sit because outside is so a lot of rain. So today is um, having a blessed Sunday because I did buy my shoe and I have my new shoes, so I'm so happy. So this is my brunch for now. I'm so hungry and yeah, I think I'm going to finish this one. Okay, and I'm going to eat now. I do eat a lot. See you later. I'm gonna finish first my meal. So I'm here again at the park that I've stayed before last day off. So because I'm just finished, I'm having my lunch. So I don't know where to go because it was raining now. So I stuck up here, and maybe I can do another karaoke here. But I didn't bring my mic with me, so we just sing an acapella. And remember the girl that dancing on my back before? She's still here, and then she's starting to dance again, and maybe later she can dance again, and I will show you. So it's gonna have a talk first here, and I'm so tiring today because um so tiring a lot of people as always. So now we're going to do a karaoke again and sing with me everyone, and she's dancing again over there. So see how she can dance very well. I think she's doing TikTok. And she's laughing because she remembered the last Sunday that I took a video, and she's my backup dancer while I am singing. So now let's have karaoke with me. I'm looking for my phone. Where my phone now? Okay, here. My phone was here, so yeah. We're going to start our karaoke. Let's have the karaoke again. I don't have the mic, so we just sing like an acapella. She's dancing again over there. I call you baby, you be my friend. You be my lover until the very end. Show your love with no pretend. You stick by my side even when all is caving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want. Find somebody to love me and no words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope to sing my word. It's only know nobody know I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. We will stay forever, let me hold your hand. I can feel you both places in your heart, you wanna feel. Let me show you love, or no pretend. I'll be your rider, baby, no missing your swing. Don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope to see my worth. 'Cause only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. Ooh, 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 ooh. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope to see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do the worst. Okay, thank you. Next song. I'm going to sing Tagalog song. See, she's still dancing. She's doing TikTok. So hindi. Okay, we proceed to our last song. Notice me, you take my hand, while you away, a stranger when our love is strong. Why carry on without me? Every time I try to fly up far than my wings, I feel so small. I guess I need you, baby. Every time I see you in my dreams, I see your face is haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. I make believe that you are here. Is the only way I see clear what I have done. You seem to move when you say, every time I try to fly up far without my wings, it feels so small. I guess I need you, baby. Every time I see you in my eyes, I see your face. You're haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. Only have fade away. Please forgive me. My weakness calls you pain. And the song is sorry. The wind's so strong. Oh my god. Just enjoy dancing. I have a backup dancer. The song is Keep Bleeding in Love. Windy. Oh my god, it's so windy. Cause of our love, I didn't need it. Once or twice was enough, and it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it's frozen. But something's happened for the very first time with you. My heart and melts into ground. Heart is something true. And everyone's looking around, thinking and going crazy. But I don't care what I say. I'm in love with you. You try to pull me away. I didn't know the truth. My heart people wide of vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I keep bleeding. I keep bleeding in love. Keep bleeding. I keep bleeding in love. Keep bleeding. I keep bleeding in love. You cut me open. Trying hard not to hear, but it took so loud. Reversing sounds fill my ears, try to fill me with doubt. Yes, I know that the goal is to keep me from falling. But nothing greater than the rush that is coming of days. And this world of loneliness I see your face. Everyone around me thinks that I'm going to be crazy. But I don't care what I say. I'm in love with you. You try to pull me away, but didn't know the truth. My heart keeps pulled by the vein that I keep on closing. You kept me open and I bleeding and keep bleeding in love. Keep bleeding and keep bleeding in love. Keep bleeding and keep bleeding in love. You kept me open and it's draining all of me. Only finding hard to believe I'll be wearing the scars for everyone to see. I don't care what it's like, I'm in love with you. You try to pull me away, but didn't know the truth. My heart crumbled by the vein that I keep on closing. You cut me open and I bleeding, keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. You kept me open enough. Keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. Keep bleeding, keep bleeding, love. You kept me open enough. To be someone. So everyone, um, oh my god, it's so windy. So windy so much. My phone was falling down. Was so windy. Okay, let's take a break first. I'm going to eat my popcorn. I have popcorn. See? Popcorn. I bought this for $10. Going to eat first. Mm, it's yummy. Mm. I just want to keep the bottle. I put something in here. Yeah. I don't want to throw away the bottle. I want to reuse this one. Yummy. Mm. Mm. I will, I'm going to finish this on my room. Of course, I have a drink Coca-Cola. My happiness is always cola. Thank you. So, everyone, I wanna take this opportunity to say thank you to all of you for always supporting me, for always supporting on my channel, for always watching on my vlog premiere and live. Thank you so much, everyone, and I really, really appreciate your for having a time, for making time to watch all of my videos. Thank you so much, and I hope I can see you all again on my next update. Bye. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye bye.